Good morning to everyone, classmates, friends, parents, and our dear teachers, ang bida ng okasyong ito. Today is a very special day for all of us, especially to our dear mentors, our second mother, our teachers. Maybe most of you who are here would agree with me that we spend half of our life as students with them. They are responsible for our safety, our learning, and what we will become someday. Today, we want to show them our gratitude in our own small ways to let them feel that they are special and that we will be forever grateful for their time, patience, and their love and devotion of their noble profession. For if not of their dedication of love of teaching, they will not be here with us, and as they say, marami ang ngayon kung wala mga guro ng paniyaga sa pagtuturo sa atin. Sa ating mga guro, ang araw na ito ay para sa inyo. Inyong pong pagsaluhan ng aming munting handog para sa inyo. Relax, feel and enjoy. Magandang umaga po.